Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking to this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to use extra bag in Lies of P. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So items are stored in the equipment menu under the consumables, or typically this isn't where you want to go in order to use them since the game cannot be paused, meaning you'll be exposed while you're navigating the game menu. So instead, you can bind items to the upper belt, lower belt, or extra bag. So both belts can hold 3 items at a time while the extra bag can hold up to 4 of them for you. So on the PC, just use the keys 1 to 4 to use the items bound in your extra bag, and you can hold press E to see which item is bound to which key in a rush. So pressing the X or A on the controller will perform the same function. So you scroll using your mouse to select either the upper or lower belt, and press R to use the selected items. So scrolling up when on the upper belt will cycle through its 3 items. So while scrolling down on the lower belt will cycle through its items. So alternatively, you can press T to select the cycle through items in the upper belt, and G to select and cycle through the items on the lower belt. And on the controller, the D-pad up and D-pad down perform the same function, while pressing X will activate the belt item. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.